Holy shit!
Marcus, heads up. We've got a CTOS box nearby that needs liberating.
Any opposition?
Bloom security, of course, which means they're packing, but it's nothing we haven't done before. Hey, I just intercepted a message that Bloom is securing the data. I give you maybe 5 minutes.
Wait for it.
Wait for what?
Well, I was hoping for some kind of dramatic reveal, but my timing's...
It's a Galilei rocket, so what, man?
Yeah, well, that there Galilei rocket is number 4. The satellites they're carrying, all Bloom.
Shit.
Yeah.
This just got interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Those satellites are putting a lot of data out of our reach.
This is next level shit, my friend. You've been waiting for your chance to hit Bloom.
Yeah, now we can hit them fucking hard. You're thinking about putting a little something on their next satellite launch and piggybacking into orbit?
Uh-huh.
You a crazy motherfucker, man.
I'm out of this world, baby.
Oh, shit.
You drive.
Yeah.
Hey! You're leaving me behind here! Hey, Marcus, slow down, man. You're losing me. Drop me off at the hackerspace. I'll look through our intel on Galilei and talk you through the building. If this works, we'll have a Martian's eye view of Bloom's server farm and all the sweet, juicy data contained therein.
A big company like Bloom must have server farms across the country.
Well, with any luck, we'll key into one farm and use it to find the others.
We've been trying so long to keep up with Silicon Valley, I want DedSec to be on the same playing field. For everything we've done, we still don't know exactly what Dushan's up to.
You think we'll find dick pics?
Have you been listening in on our convo, Sitara?
If we get a hold of a douche and dick pic, we have the ultimate leverage.
Yeah, especially if it's small or warty.
Guys,
And knowing him, his dick probably has its own fucking man bun on it.
dude.
Hipster dick. I like. Hi, I'm Hipster Dick. I only wear skinny condoms.
Yeah, I wasn't circumcised before it was cool.
I'm surrounded by children.
all right, guys. That's enough. We've upset Pops over here.
Now you call when you get to Galilei. They'll have a satellite waiting for you.
Me and one of your magic clipper chips.
Magic, yes. Clipper chip? Go fuck yourself. Ever think you'd make it this far?
Honestly, I never thought this far was possible. Ray, man, I gotta tell you, I used to be a sucker for rockets. They were my jam growing up.
Don't get too excited, Pee-wee. I've heard of the measures Galilei goes to protect their intellectual property, One wrong move and you'll be in a whole world of trouble.
We've been in a world of trouble for a while now. So break down what I gotta do at Galilei.
Hold on to your habaneros. I'm downloading a schematic of the building. Just let me know when you get there.
Yo, Marcus. Want me to sing you a driving song?
Well, I do have a radio wrench. Thanks anyways.
Yo, T-Bone. Want me to sing you a hacking song?
Drive faster, Marcus.
All right, T-Bone, I'm here.
I got the building layout in front of me, but I'm blind over here.
I could patch you in through the surveillance system.
There's a little checkpoint leading to the building. The CCTV network runs through there.
I'll see what I can do.
There is lots of excitement leading up to the election later this month. Despite some intriguing new challengers, currently Congressman Mark Thruss is poised for a landslide victory. Online polls reveal that he's expected to retain his seat by a wide margin.
I can see. It's a miracle, Marcus.
Excellent. You got my back now?
I got your back, your fourth, and your side to side, bro.
Dope.
Okay, what time is the earliest you can get back home? Okay, I need at least 1 hour.
Welcome to
properly-
Galilei. From here, you want to get to the clean room. It's environmentally controlled, full of sensitive equipment, so try not to leave any prints.
What's in the clean room?
The chip I gave you is no good without a MOBO. If I'm reading this brief correctly, the kind we're looking for are stored there.
It's been randomly selected.
Thanks for your participation. Cool.
The scan was interrupted. Please allow me to scan you. Scanning. Hey, cool.
Sector sweep complete.
People often ask me why I put so much time and energy into pushing out there into space when it's so far and so empty. Let's look at just our own little space pebble. It would take us lifetimes to experience all the culture, all the color of our planet, but we do feel like we have a pretty good handle on it at least. It's getting harder and harder to really surprise us with anything. I absolutely believe there are other planets just as teeming with life out there for us to find. They're potentially filled with new cultures, with impossible colors. As a human being, I was born with a thirsty sponge for a brain, and it wants to soak up things it has never tasted before. I am in a unique position, with the money and the power to find ways to hurl thirsty sponges through space aboard ridiculously complex machinery. I realize I may never get to drink up the results, but I'm going to do my best to make sure humanity will.
Oh, baby! Keep it in your pants, Marcus. They've got the whole place locked down with trip lasers and guys with guns.
Greetings, fellow security personnel. Status all clear. Nothing to report. Bleep, beep, bloop. All clear. Status all clear.
How you doing?
Hello.
We've got a lesson that needs to be taught. Counting on you, Akal. Alarm has been triggered. Sending local operatives. Track him! Man out!
Sorry, buddy. This is a hands-on operation. Your hands.
Find him!
Greetings, fellow security security personnel. All systems functioning.
Well done. Now let's see, where do they keep the mobos in there?
It's cool, I got this.
All right, kid. Plant my magic non-clipper chip in that rocket, and ding! Fries are done.
The RC's not gonna be able to hold on to the board.
Ah, damn, if only we had somebody there with working hands.
Touche.
I have an alert.
You know, my dad took me to the Air and Space Museum when I was like 10 years old. That was nothing compared to this.
Rockets and dinosaurs, man. I mean, you never outgrow them, right?
Need to clear this mess up fast. Contractor's on his way.
Check your corners.
Damn it!
Get down there and waste him, McCall. Nancy's orders.
Wait. Listen. I need everybody alert! We have it.
Base to control. Be on alert. Possible targets near your location.
Start looking! Check your corners!
Stay back! He's right there!
I don't see him anymore. Set a perimeter. Go!
Red out, find him! Go!
Give up.
Hey, you catch that? Track him down!
Click. Let's see what you've got.
All right, where's the funny bone at?
Don't forget the water on the knee.
Hey, Ray, you think I can officially put rocket scientist on my resume now?
What do I look like, a career counselor?
Of course, Fermi's paradox covers this type of overly
Done.
optimistic
Beautiful.
expedition.
Now get out of there.
I mean, I'm certain there are beings out there. But if you ask me, they'd never want to talk to us. Chances are they're so advanced that our greatest scientific and technological achievements are the kind of the things that their kids play with in their cribs or give to their dogs as chew toys. Honestly, we are entirely too impressed with their own gadgets.
And that, kids, is how you bug a satellite.
I've got a sack full of cookies waiting here for you.
It'll be a while before the rocket's ready to launch. We'll call you when it's time. Until then, go buy yourself something pretty. Or don't. I mean, I don't really care what you do.
Yes, there are no cookies.
Ruin you, one way or another. Don't worry about it, it's fine.
I give up. I'm just going to give up.
What's wrong?
I'm a student at Oakland Tech. We entered Noodle's e-card challenge, and we just keep losing. We can't seem to beat the fancy schools, especially Stanford. They're backed by big companies with all kinds of tech. We're just Oakland. It's hopeless.
Hey, Oakland's got energy and grit. Oakland can get it done, man. I'm from Oakland.
I like the way you think. You want to be our driver?
You kidding?
Somebody has to.
Count me in. My name's Marcus.
Good to meet you, Marcus. I'm Taylor. Good luck on the first race.
Gotcha.
Woohoo! Got it! Woohoo! Got it! Woo! Yeah, boy!
I can't believe we won the race. That never happened before.
Look, if you get yourself a decent battery, it would help a lot getting off the blocks.
Yeah, makes sense.
I'll see if I can find you one.
Marcus, the rocket's being prepped for takeoff. Yeah!
Get your ass back here. Launch party!
Friend of mine, when she was growing up, there's a party going on in the unit above her. What's the best area to live in? What's the best place?
You alright? What?
the man of the hour. Come on, Weston Crusher. The launch awaits.
Oh, bitch, please. I'm clearly Cisco.
Jake Sisko?
Captain Cisco.
We are minutes away from having Bloom at our mercy.
Well, we're gonna cook the shit out of their goose.
T-minus 20, 19, 18.
17, 95, accordion, Googleplex. You know, just imagining that big data load is enough to get me to half-mast and touching cloth at the same friggin' time.
3, 2, 1. Lift off! Woo!
Holy.
Look at that.
Hell of a view up here.
Time to blow the living shit out of Bloom.
Bloom's network covers even more globe than we thought. Even a web this complex has to have a way in, somewhere.
I'm picking up some points of entry. A few of these data hubs have their share of vulnerabilities.
Love it. Let's go. Welcome to Dublin, Ireland, boys.
Aw, I thought this was Dublin, Ohio.
Let's look around, make ourselves at home.
What the hell?
Jesus Christ. Look, I gotta look after this. Circle back shortly. Don't touch anything.
Asshole.
How you, love? Okay. Security guru locked by PC. Now I'm waiting around with me hand up me bum. No.
There you go.
Love.
Just like that, Dublin unlocks all these points.
Not bad.
Thanks. But there's a fuck ton more to do.
Look at all this tech. Wrench, am I drooling?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you over the sound of me drooling.
You know your way around these servers, Josho?
I think I can speak to them.
تفضل يا سيدي المحترم. ها هي إحدى غرف الصفات، لعلها صغيرة الحجم ولكنها في غاية الأهمية، حيث تؤدي هذه الغرفة دور حلقة الوصل الانتاير فاسيلتي، ويتم توزيع ومراقبة الخدمات الحيوية الخاصة بأمور مثل قدرتنا الاستيعابية أو أنظمة التحكم الخاصة بنا.
يعني أنت تريد أن تقول أن كل النتورك سيرفيسز come through this room؟
نعم يا سيدي المحترم. كل البيانات بداية من المين فريم سيرفيسز to the operations management transits through a single node وتتم معالجتها بشكل أو آخر في هذه الغرفة.
بس هذا لم يخلق a single point of failure أو bottleneck في مسار العمليات؟
سؤال وجيه يا سيدي المحترم، ولكن هذا غير وارد. فهذه الغرفة متصلة بالمحطة الرئيسية فقط لمراقبة وتحقق صحة البيانات. سيدي، كما أن هذا المرفق يحتوي على نظام تايم، وبالإضافة إلى الجدران النارية الوطنية الدقيقة، تم إعادة إجراءات الأمن القياسية بشكل كامل استعدادا لقيام بلوم بتشغيل الساتلايت باك بون.
يا سلام.
نعم، تم تطبيق أحسن نظام أمن في التاريخ، حيث لا يستطيع أحد أن يتسلل في شبكة بلوم. MashaAllah. An entirely space-based network. Inaccessible to the most ingenious of all hackers.
عظيم.
شكرا. تسلم.
Very impressive.
بعدك يا سيدي.
Josh, you are definitely the man.
Thank you, Ray.
평균 성종량 265kV. 변전소 실내경 공칭.
The Bloom offices are in Yongsan. Let's make some music.
Problem. SML gateway with adaptive security. No way through it. I could spend months and still get nowhere with this.
No. There is always a way.
Hey, what happens to data centers during a power outage?
Their UPS kicks in. What else?
What if that goes too?
The firewall would drop. We'd be one step closer to Delaware.
Wrench, that's brilliant! You should do that!
Funny you should say that, Satara.
What? What?
(36번부터) (42번) 변전소에서 부하가 발생하고 있습니다.
ECU 좀 살펴봐줘.
정상 수치에서 20% 변동.
좋아. 계속 지켜봐야겠군.
부하 측면에 또
소지 상태는 어때?
다시 상승하고 있습니다. 기준선에서 520kV 증가.
서 발생한 거지? 하동? 울진?
전부요.
신부라니? 대체 무슨 소리야?
강남, 정로, 서부, 성파 전부 중지되고 있습니다.
왜 열전자 박수 상태는?
심각한 상태입니다.
좋아. 좋아. 압력계 전기는 작동시켰나? 그게 어디... 누가 줘? 망한 놈 좀 끄라고!
서지가 계속 상승합니다.
이더먹을. 분명히가 날아갈 판이군. 좁아 전압을 반경시켜. We're fucked.
Hey, we're clear to Delaware.
What?
He's right. Look, we've got access to Delaware. Time to get what we came for.
Pretty goddamn spectacular.
Let's get him.
All of Bloom's metadata is about to be ours.
This is the big one.
You got this.
Oh, shit.
Look at the size of that.
Guys, we still got this, right?
Man, they really have this locked down.
Hey, Marcus. How's it going?
You know, it's a little stressful doing this with all of you watching.
Marcus. Marcus.
Seriously? You're gonna do this now?
Marcus. Marcus. Marcus.
Shouldn't you guys go fuck yourselves or something? Gonna leave these guys a little memento of my visit.
Marcus, what are you up to?
Nuh-uh, it's a surprise.
What? What?
Hey, not yet.
Did it work?
Wait for it. You see what I did there?
Oh, mad skulls, bro. Yes! Marcus, you beautiful bastard!
Okay, all right, okay.
Oh, guys, look.
Oh.
It'll take forever to go through all this.
Focus on why the satellites are in play. Ray.
Yeah, already got eyes on it. Holy lovin' fuck. It's a backbone.
Satellite backbone?
What about the latency? There's no way they can match the speed of fiber optics.
If I'm reading this right, they are. Bloom did it. They're bypassing the undersea cables with satellites.
That's a quantum leap in tech. I mean, if this works, it'll take hackers years to catch up, or...
Yeah, not for us. We're already in. Hey, who's on Bloom's client list?
We got Noodle. We got Invite. We got Titus. We got Galilei. We got the government. The New York Stock Exchange.
Wait, so all these companies just agreed to up and funnel all their data through Bloom? Does anyone else find that suspicious?
All that data at Bloom's fingertips, that's like the world's most powerful monopoly.
Can we nuke the backbone?
No, even if we could, we still need answers.
Hey, everybody listen up. Our work is far from over, but with this score,
At least we're on the playing field. So pick a target. Invite, Titus, whatever. And start digging. Look for shit they're not supposed to be doing, right? Dushan wants to paint us as an enemy? Let's show him what going to war with us really means.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
You know what's up. I saw those wheels spinning. Look, I don't want you using Marcus as your personal weapon against Bloom.
Where the fuck is this coming from?
I know about Raymond Kenny and his great collateral damage.
We're using each other here. That was always the deal, Sitara. Marcus is a big boy. He knows how to look after himself.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Weird.
In a free and just society, every person is treated with dignity. In a free and just society, leaders are accountable to those they govern. And in a free and just society, individuals can rise as far as their talents and hard work will take them.
Do you believe your society is just? Do you believe you are free? Perhaps you trust in the power of democracy, that your vote counts. Vote. Companies now buy politicians and manipulate elections. Do you believe in the power of the free market? The stock exchange is a puppet show for the rich. Your wealth is controlled by people you've never met. Do you believe the government protects you? National Defense now aims to protect the government from you. Don't take our word for it. Join us as we launch our biggest operation yet and see for yourselves. The foundations of U.S. policy have failed us all. Democracy, free market, national security. DedSec will give you the truth. Do what you will.
Marcus, Josh is swimming through the deep end of the Galilei data, and he's got something he wants to show you.
Cool. What's the scale of the thing?
Come back home when you can. This might be big.